children, welcome to the second session of communication. Now I am going to discuss about mass media and artificial satellites. So mass media, what is mass media? Mass media is to reach a large number of people. We use newspaper, magazine, radio or television. This is known as mass media. Newspaper and magazines. These are the printed means of mass communication. They are used by the educated people only because one has to be literate to be able to read them. Newspapers and magazines carry news, views and information about events all over the world. Newspapers are one of the most widespread and popular means of written communication. They give us the news from across the globe. The word news stands for N for North, E for East, W for West, S for South. As news stands for North, East, West, South, it indicates that newspapers carry news from every corner of the world. Newspapers have different sections related to politics, sports, science, business, culture and arts. All the countries have their own news agencies. In India, there are two important news agencies. They are UNI and PTI. UNI means United News of India and PTI Press Trust of India. Once again, UNI United News of India and PTI Press Trust of India. Books, magazines and journals also convey the idea of writers to the readers. Books published in one country can be sold all over the world. Let's move to the next point, radio. Radio is an important means of news and entertainment. It was invented by G. Marconi. Radio has brought a revolution in mass communication. No wires or cables are needed to send a message through radio. Even people who do not know how to read can benefit and enjoy listening to it. Many educational programs are also broadcasted on radio. Radio communication is also useful for soldiers, police, doctors and other groups who can keep in touch with each other. Today, we have more than 180 broadcasting centers of All India Radio, in short AIR, in our country. Let's come to television. Television is a marvelous device of audio-visual communication. It was invented by John Logie Baird in the year 1926. A television makes it possible not only to hear people but also to see them doing things. Special programs are shown live on television. Television is used in schools as an audiovisual aid in teaching. Radio and television function on the same principle. Messages are transmitted through air in the form of electromagnetic waves from the radio and TV centers. The receivers present in the TV sets and transistor sets catch them and convert them into photoelectric and sound energy respectively. Let's talk about cinema. Cinema is another means of mass communication. Cinema provides us with knowledge and for entertainment. We have documentary movies, educational movies for knowledge and movies for entertainment. Cinema influences the lives of people. Films and documentaries are regularly exchanged among the different countries of the world. International film festivals are held to show good films from different countries. Thus, people come to understand the lifestyles, values, and problems of other people. The last means of communication is artificial satellites. Artificial satellites are launched into the space by a rocket. They continuously orbit around the Earth. Different satellites are launched for different purposes. Weather satellites, geographical satellites, communication satellites and other satellites. Let's talk about weather satellites. They provide information about weather conditions. Next, geographical satellite. They provide information about Earth's resources. Now the next one is communication satellites. They orbit the Earth in a day and travel around the Earth in the same time that the Earth spins on its axis. This means that a communication satellite is always above the same place on the Earth. These satellites are mainly used for telephone calls and television broadcast. Now the last one is other satellites. Some satellites are fitted with powerful cameras. These cameras take pictures of Earth's surface and atmosphere. These pictures help in making weather forecasts. They also help in making accurate maps. Artificial satellites act as bridges between people and the world. So children, this is all about communication. Thank you for watching this.